Are you in class 11th or 12th, or you've just started college and you think LinkedIn is something that you might need later but not right now? Or maybe I should start LinkedIn once I have enough achievements to post about. The mistake I made. The truth is, students who start early have a massive advantage over students who start late on LinkedIn. The people who do LinkedIn right, they get placements and referrals regardless of the college they are in. It's your personal brand. It's you whom you are representing there. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how starting now on LinkedIn can be a game changer for you. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Swati. I am pursuing BCom from Daulat Ram College, Delhi University. I recently started posting actively on LinkedIn, and in just 2 posts, I got 12,000 impressions, which is still growing. And I got to connect with some great people, some people who are not even from my college, not even from my university sometimes, and they are great at what they're doing. The mistake I made was I started in my second year of college, because in my first year, I thought that I don't have enough to post about. What am I going to talk about? And the whole interface of LinkedIn was very overwhelming. So I get it. I get it what you're feeling. And अगर तुम LinkedIn खोले भी होगे, then how questionable everything feels. And second, the comparison you do. How you compare yourself with your batchmates, with your peers, with people your age doing startups, starting your own agency, and stuff like that. So it's overwhelming sometimes. I get it. But this is how you grow. This is how, when you open each post, when you read people's post about their journey, their achievement, you understand the things you can also pursue. पता नहीं कौन सा post तुम पढ़ लो, and it is just life changing for you suddenly. And it is not Instagram. Do not just scroll on LinkedIn. That's very useless. If you're going to use LinkedIn, read about people's articles, read about people's journey, read whatever they are posting if you find it interesting. Don't just scroll it like it's Instagram, okay? Now, LinkedIn is not just for people who are seeking jobs. It is for you. It is for students. I started right now and I saw students of class 11th and 12th posting on LinkedIn, having so many connections, so many followers, and doing a great job there, even before starting their college. Do you understand how they're exploiting the opportunity they get? The biggest advantage of LinkedIn is that you have no boundaries. You can connect with anyone, you can talk to anyone in any professional, in any company, and you can look at what people have done to be there. You can look at what people have pursued to be there. You can even talk to them and ask them how did they do it directly, if you do it the right way. And while others are wasting their time on other social media apps, you can build visibility, credibility, and your own personal brand. Now, how to do it? To start with, let us build your profile first. So, अपने profile में, you'll find some segments. First, find a clear picture of yours. You can see my picture, it's just a selfie, and it's not that professional right now, but it works. Just need to add a clear picture of yours, have a banner, then you'll add your bio. For example, student slash exploring my opportunities in finance and communication, or marketing, or stock market, or whatever suits you, whatever you like, whatever you will like to know more about. Then below that you'll have a section to post about things. Below that you can add your experiences, you can add places where you've volunteered, and you can add your certificates for sports, dance, or whatever certificates you get in school. You can add that below that. All right, this is a basic format. Now, before you make your profile, you can use ChatGPT for reference. You can watch other people's account and you can see their profile, how they have made it. You can even go to my profile. And since we're talking about this, follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram. अच्छा लगता है क्या that a girl has 4.5k subscribers on YouTube and 84 followers on Instagram? Follow me on Instagram, follow me on LinkedIn, and if you're new here, do subscribe. Moving on. अब ठीक है, तुमने प्रोफाइल बना लिया, तुमने सब कर लिया. Now what to do? Look for alumni of a college, of your place, of your school. Look for people. अगर तुम्हारे दिमाग में fixed है that I want to do this in life, that I want to do MBA from this college, look for alumni of that college. Look for people working in that field. ठीक है? If you just search in the search bar, you'll start finding people. Now, don't get jealous of people's achievements. ठीक है? Because you're not here to compare. तुम्हें बल्कि दूसरों के अचीवमेंट्स देख के समझ में आना चाहिए, ओके मे बी आई कैन ऑल्सो परस्यू दैट इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, आई जस्ट गॉट टू नो अबाउट इट. नहीं तो और कैसे पता चलेगा तुम्हें? कोई तुम्हें आके नींद में बता के जाएगा दैट ओ स्वाति हियर इज दिस कोर्स, यू कैन डू दिस कोर्स, यू कैन परस्यू दिस कोर्स. नोबडी इज गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट. वो ना तुम्हें एक रिगरस रिसर्च एंड लोगों की प्रोफाइल स्क्रॉल करने के बाद एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज तुम्हारे सामने आएंगे, तुम्हें लगेगा ओके दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई कैन डू, यू कैन देन रिसर्च अबाउट इट. ठीक है? This I got this tip from one of a very good seniors I met in my PG, and she told me She's now working at Deloitte, and she told me how to find good people, how to talk to them. Once you find someone's profile who are doing well, who have good achievements, who have won case competitions, for example, you can just text them and ask them that I am curious. How did you achieve this? And your journey was really inspiring. Can you just guide me on even how can I pursue that? And some of them will be nice. Okay, recently I have started using this philosophy known as I will go first. Whatever is it, if it comes to texting someone first, if it comes to like, I found a YouTuber, for example, me, you found me, and you thought I need to ask this from her, and you just text me in the comments, and most probably I'll reply. Maybe I don't. How does it matter? At least you gave it a shot. And I started doing this. And I ended up having a meeting with a complete foreigner about my channel because I just thought that I'll go first. In the same way, I started approaching people on LinkedIn to find good opportunities, and that is a great way to start. So adapt this mentality if you're in college that I will go first. If I'm sitting in a group of people, I'll go first and talk to them. If I'm in my class and nobody's answering, I will go first and start the conversation. I'll talk to the teacher. I'll initiate things. I'll initiate the conversations. I will go first. Next, this is how you start networking. Text people, I'm a first year student, I'm in class 11, I'm in class 12, and I'm pursuing this. Can you please guide me the opportunities I can get in this field? Blah, 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 blah. Okay? Use ChatGPT if you are not certain about what to say, how to professionally talk. Don't talk informally on LinkedIn. Don't make it Instagram. You're not, uh, don't DM people like it's Instagram. Okay? Be very professional. Therefore, use ChatGPT. And while you use ChatGPT, learn how to talk professionally. ऑब्जर्व करना सीखो लाइफ में हर चीज में सब चीजों में ऑब्जर्व करना सीखो इफ यू लुक एट माय पोस्ट ऑन लिंक्डइन सिर्फ दो ही पोस्ट डाले मैंने बट इट इज प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन थिंग्स आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड while just going to the market and it got great impressions. Learn the art of observing. ठीक है? I am maybe a year older than you, maybe 2, maybe 3. ठीक है? But I have made mistakes and my videos can save you a lot of trial and error. Okay, and I want to provide that to you. And if you have noticed, I don't post a lot of videos, but whatever videos I post, I bring very valuable content. So if you're new here, it would really help and boost me and my confidence if you subscribe and if you stay around. Now you have made a profile, you have learned how to search people's profile and look for opportunities. Now start engaging, start posting, start just you just read about something in a newspaper, you just watched a video regarding something and you find it interesting, write about it and just post about it on LinkedIn. Add pictures if you want to. And adding more pictures is more fun, is more interactive and more engaging. Respond to people's post. If you read a post and you find it interesting, comment on it. उसके भी इंप्रेशन आते हैं लिंक्डइन पे, ठीक है? इससे तुम्हारी एंगेजमेंट बढ़ती है. तुम्हारे प्रोफाइल पे यू कैन इवन सी दैट तुम्हारे प्रोफाइल पे दिखता है कि तुमने किस पोस्ट पे क्या कमेंट डाला है एंड व्हाट वाज द रिस्पॉन्ड टू इट एंड क्रिएट देयर. इट इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट टू पोस्ट ऑन लिंक्डइन. जितना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड यूट्यूब और इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट करना है उससे 10 गुना ज्यादा इजियर है टू पोस्ट ऑन लिंक्डइन. पोस्ट योर जर्नी ऑफ बिकमिंग. Post your journey of becoming on LinkedIn. Post your achievements, your personal stories, your experiences, things you observe. ये 4 types के post you can make and you will love it when you see people's reaction on it. And this is how you'll start finding like-minded people and connect with them and maybe in future land yourself with a good job with a good referral. कॉलेज के बाद ना प्लेसमेंट्स ज्यादा इजियर रेफरल्स से लगते हैं rather than your CV and stuff if you are looking for placements. This is one of this even this some other senior told me that Swati, referrals are very important and here I am telling that to you. This is how you do networking and this is how you will have to find referrals. Now I am not saying having a very good LinkedIn account will be the it for you, that will help you land a job, that will help you gain. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Life will not sort out after getting LinkedIn. You will have to work for it, but you will find good opportunities, internships, courses, and whatever fields you like, you'll learn more about it there. Starting early, you'll end up with a set of great mentors or supporters and great network. I'm going to bring videos which will not only motivate you, but give you strategies that will help you become a good future leader and a great student. That is all for this video. Drop your doubts in the comment section. I will try to respond to all of them.